So my name is Ajith KG and my native is from Kerala. So talking about my education background, I have completed BE in aeronautics and I also have a diploma in mechanical engineering. So in regards to my experience, I have 8+ years of experience working as a calibration engineer, and also I was as a technical manager too in the same field. And currently I'm working in Mumbai as a calibration engineer. And also the reason why I chose to go for a CAD course is because for the past 8 years I was working as a calibration engineer and also as a site engineer. I do not used to get my time because as working as a site engineer, I always has to travel and also my time was not fixed. So I used to go early morning and I come very late at night or in the evening. And also on Saturday also I used to work. So then I thought that okay, this won't be much enough for me to go forward in a long run, because as time progresses, every human being's body, it's deteriorates. So I thought of okay, let me just go for a course which will be very useful for me. I can give my 8 years of dedicated work. So then I thought that researching on the internet, which is the best institute in order to pursue my CAD course. So then I came across HCL GUVI. I did a little bit of research. Like I know that HCL is one of the top institute in terms of software and computer. So then I contacted GUVI and I don't remember his name. I think it is Aditya who guided me through the course, like how the course will be, what will be the duration, and also what can be the benefit of doing the course with HCL. So that is the short introduction from my side. So far it's been a good journey. I never had the exposure to tools for AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and CATIA. I thought that it would be very difficult for me to complete this course and to draw any particular design or something. But then when I gone through the course and during the lectures, the mentors were very useful. Like they used to solve my query on the spot, and also that helped me in learning more about the course, in designing in a better way. HCL GUVI in a one word, I would say trustworthy. Not one word, I can tell in one sentence. Trustworthy to develop an individual skill. Advise people that you can definitely join GUVI because it's from my personal experience. So as I have already mentioned that I was a zero skilled person in this CAD software, but now I can tell proudly that I have learned a lot of things, and this will definitely help me in developing myself to a greater height when I join a company, because the mentors were very good. They were very useful. And it's not only about the trainer who has provided training during the course, it's also about the other people. Specifically, I can mention someone's name. It will be Madhumita ma'am, because she was very useful to me in every part of the course. So, and also I would advise people to join GUVI because it's a very trustworthy institute where you can develop your skill, your potential, and you can see yourself at a very greater heights by learning this course.